I know you guys are going you guys are think that why I am daily coming in your feed just to teach you in your free time. Yes, because I make short videos so that you can learn the concept and all in your free time. In your free time, okay, you can learn the concept in your free time. So today, what we are going to learn today, we are going to solve chemistry PYQ. So chemistry, it's not chemistry PYQ, sorry. We are going to solve GATE 2026. Oops, again, oops moment. So we are going to solve GATE 2025 Excel question paper, and today we are going to solve chemistry section questions. Okay, my chemistry is not that much good. Let me clear, but there are some questions that can be solved from biochemistry concepts, because it's not a completely part of it's a part of biochemistry. Okay, so I learned it in biochemistry chapter, so I am going to teach you that concept. Okay, so yes, I tried to speak in English. If my grammar or anything is you think that wrong, so don't laugh at phone. Just correct me and write those grammatical mistake in comment box. Okay, don't laugh, no need to laugh, just correct me in comment box. So today we are going to solve this question number 19, in which question paper asked from us, consider the two pKa value. There is two pKa values. Okay, values of valine as 2.32, and valine is an amino acid. Okay, valine is an amino acid. Okay, so pKa₁, and here is the, I can make a structure also, but right now there is a slip. I cannot remember properly the structure of valine. Okay, so it's a 9.62, but I know these values are from, this is carbon and this sorry, this is carbon. There is little bit of delay. I want to just record this video in just 5 minutes, but I can't find that mouse. Yes, okay. So the structure of valine is, this is our COO negative, and this is CNH3 positive. This is H, this is amino acid, and here is the R group. I really don't I think the structure of valine, the R group is CH3 and CH3. So I think this is the structure of valine, but I am not sure. Okay, so don't make it I have to erase it because I am not sure about this structure. So but I know the value, the pKa value, this is for amino acid 9.62, and this is for carboxylic acid 2.32. okay, I am sure about this. So these are two pKa value, and we have to find about pi. So there is an formula, there is a formula for, what is the formula? The pi value, to calculate pi value, there is a formula pKa₁ plus pKa₂ upon 2. This is the formula for finding the pi value. Okay, pi value, this is the formula to find out pi value. So we are now going to put this formula, 2.32 plus 9.62 divided by 2. So this is easy math because you can solve it without calculator. So but there is a hurry in examination hall, so you use calculator, but we are relaxed and solve this question without calculator. This is 9, 10, 11. So this is 11.94 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10, 1, 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. You can also solve with me. Okay, don't 2 7 ja. So we can value the pi value is equal to 5.97. so the answer is, let me write it in proper way. So our answer is pi is equal to 5.97. okay, so this is the formula and the concept for solving pi, means isoelectric point. So here the answer is 5.97. Here the answer is 5.97. And now we are going to check it from answer 5.97. Now we are going to check it from answer key. Okay, so answer key is question number 19. So the question number is 19 and the answer is question number 19 and answer is in between 5.96 to 5.98. okay, so answer is in between 5.96. so our answer is correct because our answer is 5.97. here we score 1 marks with this easy formula. okay, hope you like the video. If